Hi, friends, and good morning to you all. Yesterday was a fantastic day, and day before also was a real fantastic day. Post Operation Sindoor and the ceasefire, market rallied huge points, and the day it rallied, we mentioned the next day the market calls should have a big hit. Market should hit down. Exactly same market did open, of course, at the same levels, came down, went up, and then moved down as expected. We were totally on the short side or the put side yesterday in Sensex. Some of them made triple digits and more. Sorry, not just triple, almost hit 1 lakh yesterday. Couple of our uh, friends who traded on the put side. That was the potential which was there. This also was a rally. The market just rejoiced the entire thing. Now coming to today's view and what are the stocks I'm looking at. Let me show you what are the stocks I'm looking at. These are the stocks: Adani Enterprise, Lotus Lab, Biocon, SBI, IRCTC, Auto, IRCTC, Bajaj Auto, and a couple of other stocks in the pipeline. Now, what are these levels I'm looking at? If price touches this level and gives me indication of coming down, I'll look for short. My target will be somewhere at this level. Let me change this color so that these are levels not totally for me. These are for the people who are totally new. Okay, make it very simple. I have a slightly a different, I might use slightly a different process. Okay. Mm, this shall be red. Okay, this shall be blue. The market has seemed to be opening in this. There's not much big thing which is going to happen right now, is what I feel. So market will try to show you that it is also move up. But definitely, if you see the chart, and you look at the chart from the long-term perspective, okay. So see here, it is in the uptrend, right? Clearly in a uptrend. So market will hit here, come down, hit here. So trend will remain upside. Okay. Now at this moment it is net neither zones. Not give big rallies or big movement at the moment. But market will try to test this level. Is what we feel. And possibly that if it continues the all-time highs, where are the previous all-time highs, which is this, which can also be broken and moved upon. Which doesn't happen in a day or two or a month or two. It may take weeks or so. Just remember. Okay, I told ATH was broken, so somebody goes and buys 27,000 call. Doesn't work that way. Now, what about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty is in a very tight range. So this level, if I feel there'll be a lot of shorting opportunities which will be given here. Let me try and see if I can share a trade now in Bank Nifty if I see something. Let's see. Market has just opened. You may not see great trading opportunities right away. Mm, it is slightly on the flat, and Nifty is slightly bearish, and Nifty is flat. So Nifty is going to be very flat as per my view. However, if you notice, price came down like this. So it needs to come down and then go up. Or it may move up and then come down. Let us see. At the moment, I feel Nifty is very flattish. Not much of big movement is seen, or at least I'm not expecting a big movement. But definitely, market will not be quiet. Okay, market definitely is not going to be quiet. The operators will always keep, taking the market up and down. Now let me see if I see a trade in the stocks. Just looking at the stocks. Twenty-four 700. I think 24,700 call can be bought. Let us see if this can be bought. No, no. Nifty, as I mentioned, is looking very flattish. 650. Let me see something in the stock side. Biocon is looking positive. SBI is looking positive. But then again, lot of manipulation is going on. Lot of manipulation, I'm saying. Anything you try to take is going to be a stop loss. Anything we take. Okay, let's see. Let me move this here. What is your view? You can please share your thoughts. And let's see share. Very, very confused market at the moment. As I mentioned, if we might try to test this, and Nifty is not going to easily break down like this here. Yes, let's see India. Okay. Not not bad. Nifty is strongly moving up. So we will see 24,650 call if we can enter. But as I said, since market is flattish, I'm not so keen. Scalping opportunities in 24,650. Now I can see market is rightish. Yesterday's whatever shorts, whatever sorry calls were shorted, I think they are getting covered, right? Heavy activity in Adani Enterprises, Hero Moto, or Pharma, Jubilant Food. Let's see. I'm thinking to short Hero Moto. Let's see. So I already shared a trade to our subscribers. 24,650 above 144. I'm looking at 155. Let me share this also. I've shared there. Okay, yeah, we can also see it here. Nifty. Why it's not coming here? Oh my god. No, okay, anyway. You can look in your, okay, let me put it in here. 20. Ah, 650, yeah, 153 currently. So, what about Bank Nifty? And Nifty also heading here. Let's see what it will do. Okay, where was I? Hero Motocorp. So Hero Motocorp, I'm looking to short. Okay, but a big move already done. Biocon also we can think of loss. 330 call maybe. So Biocon 330 call, I think I will look to buy above current prices. Let me add Biocon for your reference here. Where is it gone? Ah, look at the way it is moving up. There is a potential for this to, sorry, see this, sorry. So this actually was a good entry. Here, a lot of shots would have been caught People look at this red candle, red candle. They would have shorted and see the way market is taking it up. So opportunity of this to move again down and then come up strongly is there also. Where is Hero Motocorp? Let's add in Hero Moto. Because this is going to be a real big potential trade. Where is it gone? Okay. I think the SBI results are to be coming. Hero Motocorp. Okay. 3,980. 1,980 or 950. Let's see if we can take 3,950 put. No, at the moment, no. Only about 90 where I think I look for. 3,950 put above 88.92. I will look to trade. Okay, I will put it here for you. 3950 P020. I will look for 130. Until then, I don't see anything. As I told you, Nifty is flat. If you don't, what happened? Okay, see, I told you Nifty is flat. This is how markets are going to be. Don't think every market will give you easy money. The moment you think what does look at Bank Nifty, has it come to this level? Not exactly this level. If you remember, I mentioned I will look for shorting. This is exactly what it did. And we share this. This will be buying zone. This will be selling zone. This will be buying zone. How do I draw these levels? Okay, good question. I got in my WhatsApp. Look at the way it is. $55,100 by Nifty, looking good, but slightly risky. Let us see what is happening in Nifty. Okay, same thing. No trade, no proper trade. Where is Hero Motocorp and Biocon? Okay, this again are just playing. As I told you, Hero Moto only about 90 I will look for buy. As I told you, market is very tight. Trapping. It's going to trap most of the people. Okay, let's see. How do I set this? Okay, let me see. Ah, beautiful. See the way it is moved. Nifty is still flat. Okay, you want to can check because that is how it will be. Bank Nifty is very prepared for a very big, massive downside. I feel Nifty is just holding the Bank Nifty effect. Okay. Still waiting for Biocon, and I think Biocon is going to move. Let's see. Beautiful recovery. Let's see here. Bank Nifty only about 820. I will look at the spots. Okay, and Adani Enterprises is more well 1%, but as I mentioned, not. Let's look at this. Also, I was looking at 3950, 39 or 4000 call and for. I was thinking of put side. Let us see, nothing at the moment, but a good recovery. Sorry, not this. Oh, Hiramoto has recovered well. Yeah, so that's a really short, immediately. Now it was down. I think here 4000 call will go for 150 when we think. Okay, let us see. What about Biocon? Biocon is doing well. Biocon is my trade is slide. See the way Nifty and Bank Nifty. I mentioned Nifty is flat, right? Let me post it for you. Nifty flat and Nifty bell. Okay. Which Bank Nifty here exactly selling started, but Nifty is just trying to come near this and let's see if the selling happens or it'll move above this, then I will look for a good rally. Until then, I don't see any proper trades. Okay. And apart from that, I am looking at Biocon. Okay, my Biocon call is active, I think. Let me see Biocon. About 13, I'm looking to buy. This is where is Biocon? Yeah. So once this crosses 13, 13.2, I will look for loss. Nifty, if we can't, yeah, this was a trade. 10144, you can look for 160, but that's a little risky one. Ah, 160 is done. Cool. I didn't observe this. So one trade is done. Good. I think my subscriber messaged me and then I saw it. Let's see how it goes. Has the bank nifty changed? Again, I have mentioned Nifty flat, bank nifty pair. Okay, let us see now if there is any changes. Bank nifty is also changing. Okay, bank nifty is changing slightly. Nifty is slightly down changing. Now updating bank nifty. Nifty is from flat, it has become well. Today is not like yesterday. Yesterday was clear bearish. Before 560. Because bank nifty here is in a selling zone. So how do you expect market to be moving? That's why I said keep SL at 150 or 1 and see. I'm making this so that you understand it. Otherwise, people will just say, "Hey, you made some, you gave some trade, no logic." No, there is a logic we trade with. Okay, blindly call put doesn't work. Ah, Nifty is now a motor cup as I told. Where is that bar? I mentioned Hero Moto 4000 or okay, 155 on that. I don't know why I'm not looking at any trade Hero Moto at the moment. Don't want to unnecessarily. So we are streaming live so that we also share how the market moves. Okay. So if you have any queries, you can put in the chat. We will answer them. I'm also looking at Bharati HL on long side. Missed out to share that. Let me see. So Bharati Airtel 1860 call above 40 will be great. Okay, Nifty seems to be fairly good, but Bank Nifty is flat now. Bank Nifty is not going to move up or down. This is the craziest part. See what happened. Half-baked knowledge is called half-baked. Enjoy. I think I'm going to the very boring market. Going to go offline. People say no trade, sir. No trade. I can't give a trade and I don't see a proper trade setup. So if I have any questions, please do put here. I have no problem in staying online. But if I don't see a proper trade, I don't think I will be online. How are my levels working? Beautiful, fantastic, fantabulous. These levels I shared before market opens. Now see, I'm looking at Bank Nifty outside. Enjoy your day. Which put am I looking at in Bank Nifty? I think I have it ready here. Still not come to my level. 55. Sorry. This is what I'm looking at. All the best, guys. Enjoy your day. See you. Ta-da. If you don't have any questions, this is my level. Take a screenshot. This is my level. Take a screenshot. Take it. This is my level. Take a screenshot. Okay, no proper trade setups. We'll